Customer parking. Well, I'm not a customer, but we're going to talk about how do you reverse out. I'm a state certified instructor, so I want to bring you value. So I'm looking over my shoulders, left and right. I'm covering my brake. Covering your brake means your foot is on your brake as you look. So you see me looking, and I'm taking my time. So I'm going to have to reverse out. I'm looking around, and then I turn hand over hand, and I'm gonna go ahead and go into this parking spot. This is a really good parking maneuver right now. And then I turn back, hand over hand. Also, this is a nice little 3-point turnaround. So I'm looking out my back window, and I'm turning, and you see me looking around. I do not wanna hit that truck, so I'm being careful. And then I'm gonna turn back. So this is really hand over hand turning at its essence. And then I reverse back. You see me looking. And this is a really tight parking spot with good turning hand over hand. You would definitely get out of this parking spot. So I'm looking left, right, and left. You see me looking, and then I'm gonna make my turn. So that was a good parking maneuver, and I turn out hand over hand. So I'm coming up to the main road, and I wanna actually stop. I'm looking for a gap. A gap is the space in traffic. Here's my gap. I'm gonna go ahead and turn into the first lane, and then I accelerate up to speed. It's really scary sometimes when you accelerate up to speed, but you always gotta look around and scan and look ahead. What am I looking for? I'm scanning the intersection, and I wanna get up to speed and look. A lot of beginning drivers lift their foot off the gas, and then they panic, and then the light changes. You never wanna try to run a yellow light. You wanna maintain good speed control. So I'm a state certified instructor. Hopefully you learned something today, and please subscribe to my channel.